Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to download and install Need for Speed Hot Pursuit Remastered on PC or laptop. So in order to download and install Need for Speed Hot Pursuit Remastered on PC, you have to first of all access or download EA Games or Electronic Arts account. So for that case, open up a browser, type in ea.com, and that's going to take you to the official page, which is going to look something like this. So in my case, I happen to already install it and already create my account. So I'm just going to go ahead and press the profile icon from the top right and go ahead and click on sign in. When you click on sign in, it's going to take you to the sign in field where you have to go ahead and enter in the credential. And when you're logged into your account, this is how it's going to look like. So here, go ahead and press the games button, and you could go to games or latest game or PC, whichever. And when you do that, on the search box, you could go ahead and type in the game that you're looking for. So over here, you'll be able to see the game category. So here, go ahead and tap on the search box, type in the name, and you'll be able to access the following game. And from there, you have to go ahead and install it. And when you're done installing it, you go ahead and create your account. And you could go ahead and play Need for Speed on your device. So that's how you could go and play Need for Speed Hot Pursuit Remastered on PC or laptop. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.